Hi, it's Birdie. I wanted to jump in really quick. So you work hours and hours on a diamond painting. Hours. That's a cute little bunny. Very cute. It's so cute. And you give it away as a gift, or you hang it up, get it framed, or it ends up in your closet on, in your little mini gallery. And so years and years and years go by and you die. Nobody knows that you've done this art, this beautiful art, or gets lost or whatever, how unknown artist. So there's nothing wrong with you to create your own little signature to put on your diamond art painting. And that's exactly what I do. I devised a little signature that I put on my canvas. And this one I'm going to give away to my group home for severely disabled people I take care of, and they're really excited. And this was a mystery one from Diamond Art Club, and they're really excited. They really love the process of what's that going to be, what's that going to be. So they were really excited for when this is done. And the manager said that she's going to get it framed. She's impressed, and now she wants to do diamond painting. But anyways, I added my signature to it. And this is one that I came up with by Birdie. And I got this idea from when I was doing this canvas, actually. There was a little bird that ended up there. So I said, hey, that's so cute. And I love cardinals. I've got a cardinal couple that comes around every time I put bird food seed into my bird feeder, and I call them Redmond and Rebecca. So this is an ode to Redmond. So devise your own little signature. Make it cute. It doesn't have to be fancy, but I got from Walmart these index cards. They're under $1. I got them in bulk. I love them. I love them rather than the lined ordinary index cards. And I devised, I started devising. You could use color pencils and stuff, and, put a signature. You've worked hours and hours and hours on your diamond painting. Put your signature. You could take little aspects of a diamond painting, like a little bunny rabbit, and put your name underneath, initials, or, a bird or a flower. Pick a flower. Let's see. There's a iris. Pick a flower and put your name on it, or a leaf or something. Just make it your own. And that's a good idea to do, because you deserve recognition for the art that you've done.